Boeing has resumed production of its troubled 737 MAX jets. Production for the planes halted in January this year and has now restarted at a low rate this time. The aerospace giant had shut production following two deadly crashes that led to the aircraft's global grounding. The 737 in its various models has typically provided about half the revenues of commercial airplane division in Boeing. But the Federal Aviation Administration, the aviation regulator of America, is yet to give an approval for the jets to fly. Boeing is still hoping to win clearance for the MAX planes in late summer or early fall and will slowly ramp up from the restart of the assembly line to be ready. The resumption is a milestone for the jets as it signals Boeing's optimism for their clearance to fly again. According to the company, engineers worked throughout 2019 on a fix for the MAX's flawed flight control system that brought down the two airliners. Work has been done to standardize work packages and revamp the kitting process to ensure that employees have everything they need to build the airplane. Boeing chose to push the button on restarting 737 MAX production on the day it announced that it would be laying off nearly 12,000 employees as the pandemic continues to hammer the airline industry. The Chicago-based airplane manufacturer and the biggest exporter in the US has already announced the trimming of its workforce by around 10%.